How to screen share on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, on the left side you'll find servers. Click on the server where you want to screen share. Then click on voice channel and then join the voice channel. After you've joined the voice channel, at the bottom, scroll up. After you've scrolled upside, you will find different options. In here, you will find share your screen. Click on share your screen. Then at the bottom, click on try it now. After you've done that, your screen will be shared. This is how to screen share on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.